Hey, seventh graders, I just wanted to help you out with a few of the homework problems. Hopefully you've gotten a good start on them. If you saw, I had the first four done in my notebook on haiku. So that's why it's always important to check haiku, because I did have some of those solutions up there if you wanted to check some of your homework answers. So one homework problem that I want to go over is problem C from 6-120. So let me pull up my iPad here. So this is 6-120 for your homework. This is problem C, and that says 5x plus 3 plus negative x equals 2x plus 1 plus 2x plus 3. So again, you can build this if you want to, but that takes a lot of time. So just looking at this, the first thing that we want to do is combine like terms. So I have the 5x and the negative x. Technically that's a zero pair, but you could also consider it like combining like terms. So that would turn into 4x plus 3. And then on the other side, we have 2x and 2x. So that would be 4x plus 4 if we combine the 1 and the 3. And then you might see if you're using the tiles that these are a balanced set, or we could add the opposite. So let's say we take away the 4x on both sides, or we add the opposite on both sides. Now we're left with this interesting solution of 3 equals 4, which cannot be true. Those aren't equal to each other. So whenever you have a situation like that, where it's an answer that doesn't make sense, then this would be no solution. So that's one of the special cases that I talked about in the lesson video. If we look at part D, this one is 3x plus 7 plus negative x plus negative 2 equals 2x plus 5. Again, we can start off with combining like terms. They're looking at zero pairs. So we have the 3x and the negative x here. That turns into 2x. And then I have the 7 and the negative 2. That's a zero pair, so that turns into positive 5. And now we have 2x plus 5 on the other side as well. So you might notice that both sides are equal to each other. So if we were to add the opposite of that 5 and get 2x equals 2x, like in the lesson video, this is our second this is one of the special cases. So when you have x equals x or 2x equals 2x, where it's the exact same thing on either side of the equal sign, this is infinite solutions. Okay, so there's a couple of homework problems done for you. Make sure you're working on A, B, C, D, E, and F, and then take your picture of your notebook and submit it in Google Classroom. And make sure you check Aries to see that all of your other homework has been turned in. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.